Welcome to another episode of Controversial Chef Talk. I get this question a lot. Just because I'm a chef does not mean if you cook something for me, I'm gonna criticize you. Don't be intimidated if you have a chef friend coming over for dinner, or if you're going over to a chef friend's house, or whatever the case may be. If you're intimidated by cooking for your chef friend, or if you're going out to a restaurant with a chef friend, trust me, we just wanna have a good time. And I love it when somebody else cooks for me instead of me having to cook everything. I am cooking somewhere around 70 to 80 hours a week. The last thing I want to do is cook on my day off for myself. We don't eat all fancy schmancy. We live off of trimmings and energy drinks out of deli cups. We eat trim. You see your nice sliced steak cut into 5 pieces? You know where those end pieces went? Yeah, they went into a belly of a cook. That's how we eat, okay? We might serve fancy food, but it doesn't mean we eat fancy food. If you go to a restaurant and you ask the cooks where they eat after work, Five Guys, McDonald's, Taco Bell. Trust me when I tell you this. Don't be intimidated to cook for a chef. We love it when you cook for us.